Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can set up a custom URL for your YouTube channel which will look more attractive and more professional compared to the default URL provided by YouTube. So let's go ahead and first see what a default URL looks like. For that you'll have to open your YouTube app, go to your channel, go to the about section, and here you can see the default URL provided by YouTube, which looks something like this, which contains a lot of unwanted characters and it looks very unattractive. So we are going to change this URL, customize it, it will contain the channel name and it will look more professional. So let's go ahead and quickly see how it can be done. For that you will have to open a browser first. Open youtube.com. Go to the desktop site by clicking on the three dots at the bottom here and click on desktop site. And then click on the channel icon at the top right corner here and then click on YouTube Studio. This will display a lot of options on the left side over here. If you can see, zoom in a bit and click on the second last option at the left side here, which is customization. Now you will see three options here: layout, branding and basic info. Click on basic info. If you go down, you can see the channel URL is displayed over here, and you see the option of set a custom URL for your channel. So this option is available only when you reach 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So click on that and you can see YouTube is giving me two options. The first one is AITech YT. AITech is the name of my channel, and if I select the second one, I have the option of adding more characters in front of this. I can choose any numbers or any characters that I want. So I will go with the option 1, AITech YT. Then go to the top here and click on publish. So once you publish the custom URL, it will ask you for a confirmation. First click on confirm. So once you do this, you are having a custom URL now for your YouTube channel instead of the default one which I showed you earlier. So now you can go ahead and start sharing your customized YouTube channel to your family and friends and on the social media, which looks more attractive and more professional. Hope you like this video. If you found this video to be informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thanks for watching.